I needed so much help when I first came out of hospital. I couldn't even step over the threshold of my greenhouse to start with. I met an occupational therapist whom I'd met in the hospital, and she suggested, as she knew my horticultural background, and she'd heard of Thrive, and asked me if I'd like to come out here and see what it was all about. And I came out and just fell in love with the place. It was the furthest I'd walked for a long time when I was brought out here and walked down through the gardens. I just absolutely, as I said, fell in love with it. And why would I not want to come to somewhere which I had some experience and knowledge about? And I walked the length of the garden down to the dew pond. They helped me to sort of throw the rule book out of the window and learn to garden again, because when I came home from hospital after being in there for three and a half months, I looked at my garden, and I don't mind admitting, it reduced me to tears, because I thought, how can I garden again with only just one hand to use? But with the patience of the therapist, encouraging me to try different things, and we've slowly developed that. I brought myself along the way, and I garden without even thinking about the one-handed use now, which is fantastic. Lucky enough, as I said, I came to Thrive, and we have slowly, it all came together. I would say someone who's just had a stroke would be to just forget about the past. You've got to accept now and start very slowly and do everything on a small scale. Whether it's just doing a pot inside your home, or whether it's a container out in the garden, just start slowly and not expect too much out of yourself, and just take things very gently.